Welcome back to another Japanese lesson with me, Jade. Today we're going to be doing a Genki review exercise. So Genki's given you some questions.
We did these in detail in the last lesson, so this is testing your memory banks. Go back and watch that video if you want a complete breakdown on those questions and how they work.
I'm going to give them to you in English and get you to translate them into Japanese for me. And we'll see how well you do. Okay, so number one. How do you say in Japanese, what's your name? Okay, time's up. お名前は何ですか? お名前は何ですか?
And the short form of this would be?
お名前は? お名前は? Question number two. How in Japanese would you say, where do you come from? Where are you from? Okay. どこから来ましたか? どこから来ましたか? So where from came question mark is literally how you form the question. Or you could also ask 何人ですか? 何人ですか? What person are you? Which basically means what's your nationality? 何人ですか? イギリス人です. I'm from England. I'm an English person. Next question. How do you ask what's your job? お仕事は何ですか? お仕事は何ですか? Although Genki has casualized it a bit more, they've removed the honorific o from in front of shigoto. So it's just 仕事は何ですか? 仕事は何ですか? And if you're a student, you can just respond with 学生です, and that's fine. How do you say, what year are you in? Okay. 何年生ですか? 何年生ですか? This one should be good after the last few lessons covering it. How old are you? That's right. 何歳ですか? 何歳ですか? And finally, what's your major? What's your degree? Did you get it? 専門は何ですか? 専門は何ですか? What is your major? Well done, guys. Drop it down in the comments and let me know how many of those questions you correctly translated into Japanese. And if you like this video, let me know. Subscribe if you feel like it. And I'll see you in the next lesson where we will be creating our own self-introduction. See you then. Bye!